Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Jura compressor C65 and we replaced the grinder. Here's the old grinder. And if you look at the previous video, you'll see how we show the new grinder grinding. And so let's go ahead and make an espresso. So we ran out of beans on that last shot, so we're going to do this again. Get a nice smooth flow of espresso. Lots of crema. See, I've been doing a bunch of test shots to calibrate the grinder. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.